down the war, the crime, leave it behind. Stop it, stop it. So much man again. Stop it, stop it. The copper on the head. Stop it, peace it.
Again, are you feeling irate? Listen to the broadcast show. Listen to Sister Colors.
Now Sizzler, from a you're going to be careful like a disease. I'm telling you them disease. Can't breathe, you know so fully go. The gun, me want you put it down. The war, the crime, you leave it behind. The gun, me I beg you put it down. The war, the crime, leave it behind. Stop it, so much man dead. Stop it, the copper and the lead. Stop it, peace instead. Stop it, now leak your better head. Remember Marcus, him did a want us. Him said no fight, get how you live righteous. Just unite and my brothers live righteous. But every day, another one bite the dust. It's a God play, it is causing so much. What if we say when you don't take it? You lose it, just now you dead and find your knees to the gun. They tell you put it down, the war, the time, leave it behind. The gun, me I beg you put it down, the war, the time, leave it behind. Remember in the days of knocking big and bold. Down in the ghetto door, respect a soul. Want to kill them bread down for silver and gold. Me all out, what step are you taking? Tell me what kind of foundation are you laying? Protect me, take them guns for do them killing. But I say, we got no answer to the king. That's why the gun, me I beg you put it down. The war, the crime, leave it behind. The gun, me I beg you put it down. The war, the crime, leave it behind. Quiet, I don't get a youth around town. You don't respect the sunshine, it was on the down. No take them gun and go do more than the amount. I bet you're gonna fall on that ground. That's why I'll get a youth Adam and celebrate. Seek first the king and open on no eyes. Gonna make me sing, boy, you no realize. It takes so many lives. Outside with your gun, me I tell you put it down. The war, the crime, you leave it behind. The gun, me I tell you put it down. The war, the crime, you leave it behind. Stop it, too much man a dead. Stop it, down the copper and the head. Stop it, just break giant's head. Stop it, on your bread, me all out. Remember Marcus, him did a want us. You said no fight, get how you live righteous. Unite, my brothers live righteous. But every day, another one bites the dust. It's a God play, it is causing so much. What me feel say when you jump say you use a little just so you lay down on your knees to the gun. Me I tell you put it down. The war, the crime, leave it behind. The gun, get a youth dash it down. The war, the crime, boy, leave it behind. Remember in the days of old, the man the big Mr. Bad and Bold. And not to do what the father told. The nowadays youth want to play gangster role. With the big Mac 11, them no respect a soul. Can't kill them red off with silver and gold. Well,
Yes, a lovely tune from Sizzler Colors. A big tune that. Listen to this one.